In this video, I will show you how to change the display resolution on Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you want to do from your desktop is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In here, type settings and then open up settings underneath best match. Once your settings window is opened, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto system. Next, what you want to do, if you look at the top, you should see display, give that a click, and if you are struggling to find this setting, there is a search box at the top, so if you type display into here, you should see display settings come up. Give that a click, that's going to take you into your display settings, and from here you want to come down to the scale and layout section, which way you can change the scale, which is the size of text, apps and other items, and you can also see we can change the display resolution from here, which means you can adjust the resolution to fit your connected display. If you click onto the drop down box, you're going to see the recommended resolution, but of course you can change this to whichever resolution you want. So that's how to change the display resolution on Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.